Is underscore land in Basemap Python?
You apply is underscore land incorrectly. According to this URL, is underscore land returns true if the given x, y point, and projection coordinates, is over land, false otherwise. The definition of land is based upon the GSHHS coastline polygons associated with a class instance. Points over lakes inside land regions are not counted as land points. It means you have to convert your lat-long coordinate to x, y of projection and then run is underscore land. Like here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.